What is up guys, it is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the blower motor and resistor on a 2014 Ford F150. Let's get into it. Alright guys, start the repair by removing these two tabs over here. These are located underneath the glove box. These two tabs hold up the felt cover that are protecting the blower motor on the passenger side footwell. Once it's removed, pull it out and put it on the side so it's out of your way. Next, look under the glove box. At the bottom of the HVAC box, there's going to be the blower motor located here. First, find the connector going to the blower motor and disconnect it. Remove 3 7mm screws holding up the blower motor. For the first two, I used a short 1/4 inch socket on a wobble 1 inch extension, and for the back side, I used a ratchet. Once that last screw is removed, the blower motor pretty much falls down. It is going to take a little bit of time and a little bit of finesse to get this out. So please be patient and take your time because you may snag a wire or a connector or even break something on the way out if you're not careful. Grab your new one and pop that sucker in. Just as you removed it, install it in the same way. Reinstall 3 7mm screws that hold up the blower motor that was removed earlier. Lastly, plug back in the blower motor connector. Alright guys, on to the blower motor resistor. The blower motor resistor is located a little bit above the blower motor connector. So scooch on back and you'll find it right here. Go ahead and unplug the connector going to the blower motor resistor. Once the connector is off, put it aside and tuck it away so it's out of your way. Remove 2 7mm screws holding down the blower motor resistor to the HVAC box. Once that last screw is off, pull out the blower motor resistor. Grab your new resistor and pop that sucker in. Reinstall the 2 7mm screws holding down the blower motor resistor. Then grab the resistor connector and plug it back in. Lastly, reinstall the felt cover at the bottom of the glove box and then plug those two tabs back in. And then you guys are done. Congratulations guys, you now know how to change out a blower motor and resistor on a 2014 Ford F150. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!